Let's explore Bing a little further. So let's say you want Bing to help you compare two different items to see which one you want to purchase. So you can ask, what are the two best smartphones in 2023? As you can see right off the bat, we have Bing's response here, and we have this 1 and this 2 and this learn more section here. And what's happening is that instead of an entire Google search, an entire page where you have to sift through and click through different websites and read different things, Bing is summarizing what it found by doing that research for you and creating a concise little piece of writing here that has the exact information that you're looking for. And it's citing its sources of where it got this information in case you were like, okay, well, is the Google Pixel and the iPhone 14 really the best? And you can see, okay, this was from Bing.com, and you can decide if you feel like that's a credible source. You could click on it and do some more research. Here, we says another source suggests that it's the Samsung Galaxy and the iPhone 14, and that's from this other website here. So you can follow up Bing's train of logic and see if you think the sources are credible that Bing was using to give you information, which is extremely useful. And also you can just say, okay, between these two different sources, the iPhone 14 has shown up on both of them. So maybe that's the phone that I should go with. Next, you'll notice we have these pre-made follow-up prompts already at the bottom of the page here, waiting to be clicked. And so what we can do is say, tell me more about the iPhone 14 Pro. Here we can see Bing's answer, and what we'll notice now is that it's getting all of its information from Apple because Apple is the most credible source to tell you about the features of the iPhone 14. So when comparing different smartphones, Bing was using a variety of different sources. When it needed to get the exact information for what was on the iPhone and the different features, it knew that Apple was the most credible source. So you could take this search further by using one of these example prompts or typing in your own follow-up question, or you can start a new chat if you feel like you've gotten the information that you need. And this is a really great use case for Bing because you can compare different items online that are maybe recent items that have just come out. And then you can follow up on them. And you could follow up on both of them. You can say, okay, tell me more about the Google Pixel, tell me more about the iPhone, and do your research this way. But you can already tell how much time you save by using Bing to do the research for you.